So you want to make money on YouTube? Of course you want to. Imagine sitting on a beach in Thailand, watching the views go up and the AdSense money rolling in. This channel have more than 55 million views per month. It's estimated to make more than $10,000 per month, and it's not even a year old. Let's stop wasting time and start making a similar channel with minimal effort, so we can make a lot of money and relax while we are getting rich. First, we need an idea, a niche to our channel. This can literally be anything, but remember, if you want to make money, you need millions of views. It has to be something that are suitable for short videos, and it has to have appeal for a lot of people. The easy thing to do would be to copy the exact channel we saw before, but I don't know about that. Let's ask ChatGPT instead. While we are waiting, don't worry, I will put up a picture of my list. Tell me in the comments section what ChatGPT suggested you. A lot of good suggestions. I think I'm just gonna go with the first one. Some random fun facts. That seems easy and could go viral. Probably a lot of competition in this niche, but I'm gonna try it out. If you want to do extensive research, you can look up trends and watch shorts for hours to see what's going viral. But what I'm going to do here is just go super general in the fun facts niche. Then I can see what's working and what's not working. So we got the niche. Now it's time to find ideas for content. Get your pens and paper ready. We are going to make a brainstorm, or maybe just go back to our old friend ChatGPT. Get hundreds of suggestions, you just have to ask politely. Easy. Dear beloved friend, please help me. Give me ideas and I shall give you freedom. Cool, just save all the ideas for later. We need to get going, there is money to be made. So the next step is to make a YouTube channel. Super quick, super easy. Don't think about the name too much. It doesn't really matter. Just pick something related to your niche and move on. You can always change it later if you want to. To complete our channel, let's make a quick logo and banner. Go to freelogodesign.com. Make a quick logo for free. For the banner, go to canva.com or foder.com. Links are in the description. You are welcome. Put in a short description, look at your channel for 1 minute, and let's get going. When your channel is all set, go to Flicky and sign up. It has a free trial, or use the code in the description for a discounted price. Log in, press New File, and type in a name for your project. Now you see an interface where you can make short videos. We don't want to make them ourselves, just click Convert, and then Idea to Video. Simply copy-paste your video idea and press Submit. Now we have to wait. Wait a few moments and you should see a generated video script. Cut out a few sections and make sure your video is under 30 seconds. The intro is the most important part. You need to have some catchy phrase here. Set up your subtitles, play around with the settings, and find something you like. There's an automated AI voiceover, so don't worry about that. We are done. Click download, click a few times, and finally, now we just have to wait a few minutes. Go make yourself a cup of coffee, go for a walk, or just continue working on your next video. Upload your file to YouTube, give it a short name and a few hashtags, and boom, the video is on YouTube. Now you know how to do this method and how to make these videos, and that's great. However, there are some things you need to know so you can actually get views and be a success. Most YouTube shorts get promoted to 1,000 people. If the response from those people is good, your video can potentially go viral. That's why the key to success is to have captivating videos that gain a high view retention. Retention is how much of your video a viewer watches. This means that you have to make watch-worthy videos. You can do this in 2 different ways. Either you have magnificent editing skills, or you make great content that viewers just want to watch again and again. Our tactic is to mass-produce content, probably a bit lower quality, but if one of our videos hit, we are in the golden zone. The key is to be consistent and upload at least once daily, maybe even more than that. Someday you will hit the jackpot, and when you do, you just continue using that exact strategy that worked for you. My plan is to upload at least 1 video daily until I have 30 videos on my channel. When I do, I will make a video about it, telling you how it went, so stay tuned, subscribe, and follow along the journey to riches.